Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to copy paste content inside your VS Code integrated terminal. So it is used by many developers. If you are using VS Code, you will must have used this integrated terminal, which right here allows you to execute commands. So sometimes you need to copy paste some text. So what you need to do, use whatever you are copying text, you simply say Control C for copy, and for pasting it you simply say Control V. That's all. So this is the first basic way by which you can implement copy paste. For copying the text, it can be from any location. It can be, let's suppose you are searching the internet, and if you want to copy paste some text from the internet to the, so if you want to copy this text, Control C, and right here come to your VS Code integrated terminal, Control V for pasting the content. So this is one other approach you can follow is simply right clicking it for pasting. Simply click the right click button, not Control V. So these are the two different approaches. Either you can, for pasting content, Control V, or just click the right click button. And similarly, the process remains the same. If you want to copy this, so you simply select the text right here, and for copying it, either you simply say Control C for copying it, and for pasting it you simply say Control V inside your VS Code integrated terminal. So you can select the text, simply select the text with your mouse, just right click, and for pasting it you again click the right click button. So in these are the two different ways by which you can copy paste text inside your VS Code integrated terminal. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.